Tim here from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect and transfer photos to a USB flash drive on your Samsung phone. So with your Samsung phone, all you need to do is connect it with a USB adapter. So this will take USB and bring into USB-C so we can connect this to our phone. So you can see how this is set up right now. And then we can just plug it in where the phone charges. So this is my Samsung A16. Once it's plugged in, swipe up from the bottom. And we want to go to search and go to files. So let's go to my files on my Samsung phone. Going down to storage, and we can see my USB storage device is plugged in here. I can tap it and I can see everything on here. So it has all these different folders set up for some reason. Let's go to my images or videos, wherever you want to transfer, and just hold down on it. And you can go to copy all here if you want, but I'm just going to copy or move now. Select your USB storage device and go to a folder on here, wherever it may be, and go to copy. It's literally that easy. So if you click all your photos, it might take a while to copy everything over depending on how many photos this is. One photo shouldn't take this long, maybe there's an issue. Now if your USB device doesn't show up, it's because you have it formatted probably NTFS. You need to go to your computer and format this EXFAT or FAT32. So for some reason this is taking a while to copy, but that's how you will go ahead and do this. Then you go back to your USB storage device and you can see everything on here. If you want to create a new folder, you can. Or you can format it. I'm going to format this and just delete everything off of there. And then I should be able to reconnect it and it should show up. Now all those folders are deleted. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.